Hi guys, wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, which is coffee. Coffee is one of my favorite topics because it is the number one thing that my clients do wrong. Drink too much coffee and use the wrong cleanser, if I had to name two. Those are the two biggest triggers for acne that are such a simple fix, but so many people are doing it. It's very hard to cut a habit of coffee. Coffee is extremely addictive, but I'm going to tell you why I don't drink coffee. I don't drink coffee because it is directly linked to cystic acne, because coffee boosts your androgen levels. Androgen is a male hormone. So if you're drinking too much coffee, your male hormones are out of whack and you tend to get breakouts like right here. So if you're breaking out in cystic acne right there especially, you know it's hormonal. So that's why I don't drink coffee, because I was having horrible breakouts and I did a lot of research and I just discovered how horrible coffee really is for your body, but it's so socially acceptable. And I drink coffee 1 to 2 times per week. That's what works for me. I would recommend cut coffee for a little while and see how your body reacts to it. You're gonna have a meltdown for the first couple days because you're gonna have mad headaches because coffee is so addictive, and you're gonna have withdrawals. So it's gonna suck for a few days, but you'll get over it. And then you'll just have to make a conscious decision every day to drink green tea, speaking from experience. But then, you know, I drink coffee 1 day a week, and it's fantastic for me because I drink a little bit nicer coffee, because on that 1 day I get to drink coffee, I'm like, let me splurge. And then the coffee like really affects me, versus like people go through their day and they're like, oh, I need more coffee because I'm so tired. I don't feel that way. I do not feel that way throughout the day. I have a lot of energy and I have no issues with energy levels, but if I'm dependent on coffee, then I feel exactly that way. I'm like, where's my coffee? I need another coffee. I'm so exhausted. Oh my God. Yeah. So I drink it once a week and I never have any issues with it. That's what I recommend, of course, because I'm doing it. Okay, so coffee is not only bad because it spikes your hormones, it's also bad because it's so dehydrating. It also causes under eye bags from the hormone imbalance and from the dehydration, and just like someone who drinks coffee for their entire life is basically going to look like someone who's drinking alcohol their whole life. That's a fun fact I just made up. That's my opinion. That's what I've observed. Take it for whatever you will. That's why I don't drink coffee. And anyways, if you haven't already, please subscribe. You know where the button is if you learned something like this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.